It was something in the air.
Hi, I'm Rosalie.
Hi, I'm Adriana.
Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Alana.
Hi, I'm Samantha.
And we are students from UMass Amherst.
And we just arrived at the Montague Sandplains to pick up trash for a natural resource conservation class.
The Montague Sandplains is a 1,500-acre state wildlife refuge and ecological area located 14 miles from the University of Massachusetts Amherst campus. The area is under the protection of the Massachusetts Department of Fisheries and Wildlife. The Montague Sandplains is a very ecologically important area as it supports a habitat for many rare plants and animals. The grasslands also act as a very important breeding ground for bird species such as grasshopper sparrows and vesper sparrows. Mass Life purchased the grounds from the power company Eversource in 1999, and since then the lands have been maintained, but there has been a growing amount of litter on the lands.
This area is protected by the Massachusetts Wildlife and Fisheries Department. It's pretty gross how much trash there is still here. We've found a lot.
Indeed.
We're still going.
Going strong.
Yep.
Where is everyone? Yep. Taking care of your environment and community should be everyone's responsibility in one way or another. The goal of engaging with our community and cleaning up all the trash we can is to protect key species and better the quality of outdoor recreational opportunities for anyone who wishes to appreciate and take advantage of them. We learned that small efforts can lead to big impacts when it comes to taking care of the environment.
There's so much trash.
Wow.
Look at all this
Life's
trash.
crazy.
Oh, come on.
We did not expect the Sandplains to look like they did. It was a very unique environment that none of us really seen before. When first arriving, there didn't seem to be that much litter, but the closer we paid attention, the more trash we found. We came across things we'd never expect to find in a conservation area, such as pieces of lawnmowers and a creepy lawn chair with a golden cross on it. Overall, we filled up our bags a lot faster than we expected, which shows how you can't really realize how much trash is in a place unless you actually make an effort to pick it up.
Very quiet out here.
Collectively reducing our rate of consumption as a human society should be one of the most crucial mandates of our generation. We can no longer recycle our way out of the massive amount of waste we are creating. Picking up a few pieces of litter might seem inconsequential when you think about the big picture, but here's the thing. It feels tangible and immediate. It's something we can do every day and something that can inspire others to view their immediate environment a little differently, to give back and to ultimately to feel just a little less overwhelmed by our environmental crisis.